guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oby. If you're new to my channel or just visiting me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're up to date when I post new videos. Now, if you're a returning viewer subscriber and you haven't hit that notification bell, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you're also up to date when I post new videos. Okay guys, this video is about Rocketbook's Everlast notebook. It is an endless reusable notebook. So I'm going to be basically unbagging that and showing you guys what comes within the kit. And we'll go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty of the Rocketbook Everlast notebook. Okay, so here's what the package looks like. You can download it to multiple apps like Google Drive, Box, Email, Evernote, Dropbox, Slack, OneNote, and iCloud. So let's see what's actually in here, what comes inside the kit. Okay, so the kit includes a notebook, your Everlast, a wipe, and your erasable pen. So these are new pens, they're erasable ink, and once I realized that this is what it took to use this notebook, I was happy because I already own a bunch of these pens. So the size of the notebook is actually pretty perfect. It can fit into a standard size bag or backpack or your purse and things like that. I mean, if you're carrying something like a satchel or bigger, it can fit in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Okay guys, so here is what comes in the kit. You get the notebook, you get the tip sheet, the wipe, and of course the erasable pen. And this is great because it gives you tips on what's going on with the symbols and how you can use that. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can open this up and give you guys a better look at the notebook itself. So you can see the symbols running down there, so they correlate to what's on the tip sheet. And I wish I could get the grid better, but basically this is a grid style kind of paper. The paper is feels like paper, which is really nice. Okay guys, so here's just a close-up of the grid lines on the paper. I just wanted you guys to be able to see that a little bit better. And again, running at the bottom of the paper, also the symbols, and of course you have your code there. So this is really nice, and I'm excited to see how to use it, and the pages are nicely marked as well. So I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted you guys to get a better sense and idea of what's sort of included and just how this looks overall and what the page again looks like. And it feels again really awesome, really like paper. So this is great for if you take your notes as drawings, or if you are someone that's just going to write them right out. It's a nice grid system, so you'll be able to line up your writing really well. Guys, I'm really excited. And again, if you have any tips on how to use this, please drop me that in the comment box below. But yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys the Rocketbook's Everlast notebook. I'm going to come back and do a 1-month follow-up so that I can tell you guys how it's been going using this for about a month. But so far I'm really excited and I really can't wait to jump right in. My plan is to obviously take my notes, take photos, upload them to either my Dropbox or my Google Drive, depending on what the notes are for. And I just wanted something that I didn't have to worry about, again, constantly buying notebooks and constantly worrying about having to take a notebook that has the important information I need, but I have another new notebook. So I'm hoping to avoid that because things will be easily accessible either through email or through iCloud. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. I will link this in the description box below where you can pick it up if you're interested in it. And if you have any tips on using this, if you own one, if you've used a different type of pen, please drop me that in the comment box below. Because again, I'm new to this, and any tips I can get on how to use this and make my life easier would be much appreciated. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Until the next video, see ya. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.